In this video, you will learn how to turn on dark mode on Pinterest. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the end so don't make any kind of mistake when you're trying it for yourself. So first step is you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you have to click on this profile icon in a after that you will have an interface like this. So here you will see a option setting in a top right corner. So you have to click on the setting icon in the top right corner. After that you will have an interface like this. So here you have to simply click on account management. So now you have to click on account management, and after that you will have an interface like this. So here what you need to do is you will see a option called app theme. So now you have to click on this app theme option. After that you will have an interface like this. So now you have to simply click on this dark option, and now your Pinterest is changed to the dark mode, and that's how you can turn on dark mode on your Pinterest. So if you find this video helpful, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.